What if I told you that one cheap white powder sitting quietly in your kitchen can replace half of your cleaning products? Yes, the same baking soda you use for cooking can remove stains, kill odors, and make your home sparkle like magic. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at baking soda the same way again. Before we begin, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon, because we share simple, powerful cleaning hacks that save time, money, and energy. And click the link below to join our free cleaning community. Why baking soda is a cleaning superpower. Baking soda is not just a household ingredient, it's a natural cleaning powerhouse. Its mild abrasive texture removes dirt without scratching surfaces, while its alkaline nature neutralizes acids that cause bad smells. That's why professionals secretly rely on it for deep cleaning. The best part? It's safe, affordable, and already in your home. Use number 1. Remove tough kitchen grease without scrubbing. Grease buildup on stoves, tiles, and countertops feels impossible to remove. But baking soda changes everything. Simply sprinkle it on greasy areas, add a few drops of warm water to form a paste, and let it sit for 5 minutes. When you wipe it off, the grease lifts effortlessly. No harsh chemicals, no sore arms, just clean surfaces that shine again. Use number 2. Make your bathroom smell fresh. Instantly. Bathrooms trap moisture, and moisture creates odor. Baking soda absorbs these smells instead of masking them. Sprinkle it in sinks, toilets, and floor corners, then rinse after a few minutes. For drains, pour baking soda followed by warm water. Suddenly, your bathroom smells clean, fresh, and breathable, not chemical heavy. Use number 3. Bring tile grout back to life. Dirty grout makes even a clean floor look old and neglected. Baking soda is the secret grout revival hack. Mix it with water into a thick paste and apply it directly on grout lines. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then brush lightly and wipe clean. The transformation is shocking. Dark grout turns bright again in minutes. Who knew such a small ingredient could make such a big visual difference? Use number 4. Eliminate odors from carpets and sofas. Soft surfaces hold smells, food, pets, moisture, everything. Baking soda pulls those odors out naturally. Sprinkle it generously over carpets or sofas. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, then vacuum. The smell disappears, and the room feels fresh again. This trick is especially powerful for homes with pets or kids. Use number 5. Clean and deodorize the refrigerator. A smelly fridge can ruin your appetite instantly. Baking soda absorbs odors instead of covering them up. Place a small open bowl inside the fridge, and it continuously neutralizes bad smells. For deep cleaning, wipe shelves with baking soda and water. The result? A fridge that smells clean, not artificial. Use number 6. Shine sinks, taps, and stainless steel. Water stains and dull metal surfaces make kitchens and bathrooms look tired. Sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge and gently clean sinks, taps, and steel surfaces. Rinse and wipe dry. The shine comes back instantly, and water spots vanish. This trick gives your home a professionally cleaned look in minutes. Use number 7. Safe cleaning for families and pets. One of the biggest advantages of baking soda is safety. Unlike chemical cleaners, it doesn't release toxic fumes. It's safe around children, pets, and food areas. That means you can clean confidently, knowing your home is healthy as well as spotless. Common mistakes people make. Many people use baking soda incorrectly. Using too much water reduces its power. Scrubbing aggressively can damage surfaces. Mixing it with harsh chemicals cancels its effectiveness. When used correctly, gently and patiently, baking soda delivers unbeatable results. Quick recap of the 7 uses. Baking soda removes kitchen grease, freshens bathrooms, cleans grout, eliminates carpet odors, deodorizes refrigerators, shines metal surfaces, and keeps your home safe. One product. Endless benefits. How will you use your baking soda to clean first? Leave us a comment below and tell us how it works for you. We always love to hear from you. If this video helped you, Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss smart cleaning hacks like this. Try these baking soda tricks today and watch your home transform naturally, safely, and effortlessly. And click the link below to join our free cleaning community.